Welcome back to the ITMaster YouTube channel. If you've just completed part 1 of our Microsoft Word tutorial, congratulations on laying a solid foundation in this versatile software. Now, it's time to take your skills to the next level with part 2. In this installment, we'll journey deeper into the world of Microsoft Word, unveiling advanced techniques and productivity tips that will elevate your document creation game. You're about to discover the tools and strategies that will make you a true word wizard. Whether you're a seasoned Word user looking to refine your skills or you're just starting your Microsoft Word journey, this tutorial has something for everyone. We'll explore advanced formatting, document organization, collaboration features, time-saving shortcuts, and so much more. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to tackle even the most complex document tasks with confidence. Before we dive in, make sure you've subscribed to our channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable tutorials. Let's not waste any more time. It's time to master Microsoft Word together. Let's get started. Introduction. The introduction section of our tutorial serves as a welcoming gateway into the world of the Insert tab in Microsoft Word. In these initial moments, we set the stage for an exploration of the versatile tools and functions available in this crucial tab. We emphasize that the Insert tab is where you unlock the potential to make your documents more engaging, informative, and visually appealing. We briefly introduce the purpose of the Insert tab as the hub for incorporating various elements into your documents. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone looking to enhance their document creation skills, this tutorial has something valuable to offer. The tone is one of excitement and anticipation, as we highlight the wealth of possibilities that await you. We encourage viewers to embark on this learning journey with us, emphasizing that by the end of this tutorial, they'll have the knowledge and confidence to create documents that truly stand out. Before diving into the details, we kindly ask viewers to engage with our content by subscribing, liking, and enabling notifications to stay updated with our tutorials. With that, we set the stage for a deep dive into the Insert tab, ready to master the tools that will make our documents shine. Pages Group. In this section of our Microsoft Word Insert tab tutorial, we delve into the Pages Group, a collection of valuable tools designed to help you structure your documents effectively and control page layout. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Cover page. We begin by exploring the cover page feature, which is perfect for giving your document a professional and visually appealing start. You'll learn how to access and customize various pre-designed cover page templates to suit your document's style and purpose. Whether you're creating a report, proposal, or thesis, the cover page sets the tone, and we'll show you how to make it stand out. 2. Blank page. Next up, we discuss the blank page option. Blank pages are incredibly useful when you need to insert additional space or separate sections within your document. We'll demonstrate how to insert blank pages effortlessly, allowing you to maintain document continuity while creating a clean and organized layout. 3. Page break. Page breaks are essential for maintaining precise control over your document's layout and formatting. We'll guide you through the process of inserting page breaks strategically. You'll learn how to use page breaks to start new sections, chapters, or even to control the flow of text and content. Whether it's ensuring that a new chapter begins on a fresh page or splitting a long document into manageable sections, page breaks are your key to document organization. By the end of this section, you'll have a deep understanding of the Pages group within the Insert tab, specifically covering cover page, blank page, and page break. You'll be well equipped to create professional cover pages, insert blank pages for document structure, and utilize page breaks for precise document formatting. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more elements of the Insert tab in our Microsoft Word tutorial. Table Group. In this dedicated section of our Microsoft Word tutorial, we'll delve into the table group found in the Insert tab. Tables are indispensable for organizing and presenting data in your documents, and here's how to make the most of them. 1. Inserting tables. We'll begin by explaining how to insert tables into your document using the Insert Table option. You'll learn how to specify the number of rows and columns, adjust table size, and choose from various pre-designed table styles to suit your document's needs. 2. Drawing tables. Next, we'll explore the Draw Table feature, a versatile tool for creating custom tables with unique layouts. We'll guide you through the process of drawing cells, rows, and columns to design tables that perfectly fit your content. 3. Converting text to tables. Often, you may have data in the form of text that needs to be organized into a table. We'll show you how to efficiently convert text to tables, specifying the delimiter, example tabs or commas, to split the text into columns. This feature is especially useful when working with data imported from external sources. 4. Excel spreadsheet integration. Integrating Excel spreadsheets into your Word document is a powerful way to work with data. We'll demonstrate how to insert an Excel spreadsheet, link it to an existing Excel file or create a new one, and manipulate spreadsheet data directly within Word for dynamic updates. 5. Quick tables. Quick tables are pre-designed table layouts that save you time and effort. We'll explore how to use quick tables to insert common table structures such as calendars, lists, and more. You'll discover how to customize quick tables to match your document's style and content. By the end of this section, you'll have a thorough understanding of the table group within the Insert tab. You'll be well equipped to insert tables, draw custom tables, convert text into tables, integrate Excel spreadsheets, and use quick tables efficiently to organize and present data effectively in your documents. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more elements of the Insert tab in our Microsoft Word tutorial. Illustrations Group. In this comprehensive section of our Microsoft Word tutorial, we'll explore the Illustrations group within the Insert tab, which empowers you to bring your documents to life with a wide array of visual elements. Let's dive in. 1. Inserting pictures. We kick things off by showing you how to insert pictures into your documents. You'll learn how to select and add images from your computer, online sources, or your own image library. We'll cover essential image handling techniques, including resizing, moving, and wrapping text around images to enhance your document's visual appeal. 2. Creating shapes. Next, we explore the Shapes feature, where you can add a variety of shapes, lines, and arrows to your document. We'll guide you through the process of selecting and customizing shapes to convey information, highlight key points, or add decorative elements to your document. 3. Utilizing icons. Icons are powerful visual elements for enhancing document clarity and engagement. We'll show you how to insert icons directly into your document, choose from a vast library of predefined icons, and customize their appearance to suit your needs. 4. Incorporating 3D models. Take your document to the next level by exploring the insertion of 3D models. Whether you're showcasing a product design, architectural concept, or a creative project, we'll demonstrate how to insert, manipulate, and customize 3D models for an immersive viewing experience. 5. Creating Smart Art. Smart Art is an excellent tool for visualizing complex information and processes. We'll guide you through the process of creating smart art graphics, choosing from various layouts, and populating them with your content. 6. Crafting charts. Charts are vital for displaying data effectively. We'll delve into the chart feature, showing you how to create, customize, and format various types of charts, such as bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs, to convey your data clearly. 7. Capturing screenshots. Finally, we'll discuss how to capture and insert screenshots directly into your document. You'll learn how to select specific areas of your screen, including applications and windows, and add them seamlessly to your document for enhanced explanations and tutorials. By the end of this section, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the Illustrations group within the Insert tab. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to insert pictures, create shapes, utilize icons, incorporate 3D models, craft smart art, design charts, and capture screenshots to make your documents visually compelling and informative. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more elements of the Insert tab in our Microsoft Word tutorial. Add-ins group. In this segment of our Microsoft Word tutorial, we'll delve into the add-ins group, an area that extends Word's functionality through various third-party add-ins, offering tools and features that enhance your document creation process. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Get add-in. We'll begin by introducing the concept of add-ins and their role in expanding Word's capabilities. Specifically, we'll guide you through the process of accessing and acquiring new add-ins using the Get Add-in option. This allows you to explore and install a wide range of add-ins from the Microsoft Office Store, providing additional functionality tailored to your needs. 2. My Add-ins. Once you've acquired and installed add-ins, we'll explain how to manage and access them through the My Add-ins feature. You'll learn how to enable, disable, or remove add-ins based on your preferences. This section also covers updates and settings related to your installed add-ins. 3. Wikipedia add-in. As a practical example, we'll showcase the Wikipedia add-in. This add-in allows you to access Wikipedia content directly within Word, making research and fact-checking a breeze. We'll demonstrate how to search for and insert Wikipedia information seamlessly into your document, saving you valuable time and effort. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear understanding of the add-ins group within the Insert tab. You'll be well equipped to explore, acquire, manage, and utilize various add-ins to enhance your document creation experience in Microsoft Word. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more elements of the Insert tab in our Microsoft Word tutorial. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing Part 2 of our Microsoft Word tutorial. You've embarked on a journey to master the Insert tab, and by now, you've gained valuable insights into the Pages group, Table group, Illustrations group, and the powerful world of Add-ins group. We hope you found these advanced techniques and productivity tips enlightening and inspiring. But the learning doesn't stop here. We know you're eagerly waiting for Part 3 of our tutorial, where we'll uncover even more hidden gems within the Insert tab. In the upcoming installment, we'll explore features like hyperlinks, text boxes, headers and footers, and so much more. These tools will further expand your capabilities and allow you to create documents that not only look great but also function seamlessly. So, stay tuned to the ITMaster YouTube channel by subscribing, liking, and enabling notifications to ensure you don't miss the release of Part 3. We're excited to continue this journey with you, and by the end of this comprehensive tutorial series, you'll be a true Microsoft Word wizard, ready to tackle any document task with confidence and finesse. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next installment of our Microsoft Word tutorial. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating.